Weirdos or people with opinions?
Okay? And the only way to counter that is to do thumbs up. So would you please go down right underneath where I'm talking and find the two little hands? One's a thumbs up, one's a thumbs down, and press the thumbs up, please. We got 130 people in here, only 64 thumbs.
Why don't you let us
up.
decide?
And I get it, because I go in and I just want to watch people and I don't want to worry about hitting the subscribe button and all that. But what you guys need to understand is that those things are very, very important to the YouTube algorithm.
Right.
Whether or not they're going to
Has it
promote
occurred
your
to you
channel
why
or not.
the thumbs are hidden?
And if your channel doesn't get promoted in this
No.
new era, you may lose your channel simply because they need to free up some of their bandwidth, is my guess.
AKA Jules has no comprehension whatsoever as to the viewer feedback importance. The thumbs indicator is there for a reason, but this is totally lost on this creator. A mature person looks at the responses given back as a healthy and valuable system to guide viewership. Unfortunately, she displays a total lack of regard for the feelings and opinions of others. Instead, she makes herself the victim in this scenario, preying on the empathic hearts of those watching. What this does is make the viewer feel empowered as they help shield her from those meanies out there with the sole purpose of bringing her down. The vast majority clearly have no real understanding of what went down and why. If they did, they would be as concerned as you and I. Not once has she shown regard or taken ownership into the role she played in the drama that unfolded. This is a huge red flag and should alarm you also. We want to leave this as a cautionary tale. It does not matter the role in society a person appears to be playing on the surface. It does not make them immune to severely bad judgment, motives, and behavior. Incredible. Be particularly careful not to fall prey in assuming a title such as doctor in any way should supersede your own intelligent discernment.